Makasimba ere. Welcome back to Shona Land. In this video, I'll be teaching you yet another common Shona phrase that you're gonna use when parting with your loved ones or from your loved ones. Okay, so the phrase that I'm gonna teach in this video is safe journey. When you say safe journey to someone in Shona, this is how you say it. Mufambe zvakanaka. Mufambe zvakanaka. Okay, so if someone says Mufambe zvakanaka to you, this is how you respond. You respond saying Musare zvakanaka. It's like you're saying stay well or remain well. Okay, so safe journey in Shona, it's Mufambe zvakanaka, and you respond saying Musare zvakanaka. Just as a recap, Mufambe zvakanaka is the Shona equivalent of safe journey, and the response is Musare zvakanaka. It's like you're saying stay well. This brings us to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, to like our videos, or leave your comments. Ndatenda.